If statements in Python. How to use if statements in Python. The if statement is used in Python for decision making. Decision making is required when we want to execute a code only if a certain condition is satisfied. Examples of if statements are: if 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, the program has to print correct. If statements exercise in Python. Write a Python program asking the user to enter a number, and if it is greater than 9, the program should return. That's a 2-digit number. Let's get started. First, the problem asks us to ask the user to enter a number. So let's hold the value of the number inside a variable called number. And let's set that equal to the number that the user is going to input. And since the number is going to be an integer, we'll put int for integer. After that, we'll put 2 pairs of parentheses. In the first set, we'll write input. This allows the user to input their number. And in the second pair of parentheses, we'll write our prompt. And in this case, we're asking the user to enter a number. So let's write enter a number. Enter a number. Okay. And if the number is greater than 9, the program should return that's a 2-digit number. So here we are going to use an if statement. The if statement in Python is used for decision making. So here we'll write if the number, if number is equal to, when we say that something is equal to, we use 2 equal signs. If number is equal to, or in this case we have greater than 9. After every if statement, always remember to put a colon. And when you press enter, it'll automatically indent the next line. You can also indent by pressing the tab button on your keyboard. Okay. Now we have to return, if the number is greater than 9, we have to return that's a 2-digit number, because after 9, every single number till 99 is a 2-digit number. So let's write here that's a 2-digit number. Okay. In line number 4, it's basically saying if the variable or the value which is stored in number is greater than 9, the number 9, then it has to print this over here. That's a 2-digit number. Okay. So let's run this program. Here it asks us to enter a number. So let's say 78. And now remember that this number is greater than 9, and so it should return that's a 2-digit number. And that's what it says over here. But let's say I run the program again and enter a 3-digit number, for example, 148. It'll say that that's a 2-digit number. So in the 4th line, we have to change up some things. If the number is greater than 9 and less than 100, then print that's a 2-digit number. For the 4th line, you have to write if the number is greater than 9 and the number is less than 100, then print that's a 2-digit number, or else it will print nothing. So let's run this program again. Enter a number. Let's say we enter 189. It'll print nothing. Let's try 81. It'll say that that's a 2-digit number. Let's try the number 2. It'll print nothing because we didn't program anything for the numbers less than 9. And 2 is less than 9. And this is how you can solve problems which include if statements in Python.